basketballista. It's UP against FEU. First game, first match.
Kasi simula pa lang.
Ang init na pa lang. Gabi.
Ang over yarn. Ano ka mo?
It's Salagoste versus Tanchonco. First basket for substitution of UP.
0-3
Now uno. First turnover on FEU. Foul. Spotted. Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. First on Salagoste. First team foul, FEU. Basket count? 3? Ha? 3? 3? Rep counted yung kaya na basket count? It's 3-0. Then rebound on comments.
Aywa.
Now comments made. Foul again. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. Second team foul on Salagoste. Second team foul on FEU.
Kasi lagi luang buwan-buwan lagi. Isuot sa ba?
Aywa.
Awas!
Sis, ginoo.
Tol, tara sa kol.
Uno. Piray. Chill, James. Uno.
Foul on number 31.
Astro. First.
Okay, go. Score.
Wala pa.
Steelers score 3-0. Intercepted by Salagoste. Now uno. Open jump, short. Oh, Belgium. Now 3-2. 1 point lead on UP. Now St. Martin de Porres. Tanchonco goes to goes. In and out. It's same ball. It's Tanchonco versus Salagoste. FEU versus UP. First game, first match. It's 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Bounding goes. Now Mako, 40 to shoot. Comments big again. Pow! Foul on number 12 on Kelden. First personal foul on Kelden. 13 foul on FEU. First basket attempt. In short. Second free throw of Comments. Now again, rebound on Kiljem. Now Kiljem looking for Uno. Now Uno. Biray. Setting a play, Biray. Pass to Salagoste, Salagoste. To Manalastas. Manalastas, get! Oh, block behind by the UP. Now, Di Torres. It's 3-on-4. Di Torres to Umago. Umago fake. Umago drive. Umago looking for Comments. Comments. Pop, Comments. Still by Kiljem. Kiljem, let it fly. Nice pass. It's turnover on a few.
Hey.
Steelers score 3-2. UB. Now, St. Martin de Porres. Umago braining MVP. Too strong. Manalastas. To Salagoste. Now, Salagoste. Pass to Uno. Kick out to Biray. Biray. Too strong. Rebound by Umago. Umago to Di Torres. Di Torres to Torres drive. Pow! Foul number 22 on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. Warning for penalty on FU. First shot, first basket from St. Martin de Porres. It's 4-2. Now 5-2, 3-point lead on UB. Now Uno.
Kiljem.
Let it fly. Pass downside. Again short. Top. Rebound on Tachongo. Now Umago. Baseball ba? Umago! Now on Biray. Biray. Guarded by Di Torres. Nice move. Foul. Foul on Comments. First on Comments. First on UB.
Second. Si Astro. Kanina di ba si Astro?
Si?
Number 31.
Si?
Astro.
Astro.
31. Yun ang Astro. 31. Yun ang. Astro.
6 minutes and 20 seconds. Now, Di Torres. De Los Santos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De Los Santos. A2. Biray. Fake. Biray. Open shot. Favorite shot. Again, too strong. Rebound on De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De Los Santos.
Again. Dos yan.
It's 11-2. Late na late. Kiljem, let it fly. Too strong. Rebound on Comments. Kiljem again. Kiljem. Ow! In and out. Tanjongo na power rebound. Out of Choco. Choco drive. Go to go. Tanjongo foul.
Wala kami time out sa. Mamaya.
Foul again on number 9. On Salagoste. Penalty na. Penalty.
Talaga si Sir.
Third personal foul against Salagoste. It's 9-point lead on UP.
Mas pag-shoot sa panglawa.
Basket timeout, Rep. Basket timeout. In and out again by Tachongo. Now Uno. Guarded by Umago. Looking for Salagoste. Salagoste. Biray. Biray drive. Baso. Timeout. On FU. It's 5 minutes 13 seconds. First quarter, first game. RUP against FU. And our official referee for today is Referee Apatan and Referee Manuel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista UP and FEU motivation.
Dire, alam mo na, sino mo pa mo?
Now, Di Torres. Pass to Mago. Comments, 1-1 by Salagoste. Comments, move, comments, fake, comments, in and out. Oh, feedback by Tachongo. Top by Uno. Now, Uno. Looking for Biray. Now, Biray. Back to Uno. Uno now. Uno drive. Escape. Uno side step. Nice pass. To Manila Stars. One escape coming from Manila Stars. It's 4-11. 7-point lead on UP. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter. Now, Di Torres. Umagop, Cape, line distance, Manatas. Dilos, bang, too strong. Di ba naman Manatas? To Salagoste. It's 3-on-1. Salagoste to Uno. Oh, too strong by Uno. Top. Top again. Salagoste. Salagoste 1-on-1 by Di Torres. Biray. Biray, open job. Too strong again. Di ba naman Dilos? Santos. Umagop, airplane, too strong. Di ba naman comments, fake. Ciao! Comments. Now 13-4. Back to 9-point lead UP. Salagoste. Calibay Di Torres. Manila Stars. Nice pass. Keljem. Yes, it's shot by Keljem. 6-13. It's 7-point lead on UP. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This is our first game for our UAAP match. Di Torres to Tachonko. Pass outside, Mago, turnover on UP. 3 minutes and 20. Now, Uno. Biray. Yes, on Biray. Time out. On UP, now 13-8. 5-point lead on the defending champion, UP. And this timeout is brought to you by Color Sports and Basketballista. Still we're live and live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. It's 13-8. 5-point lead on the defending champion UP. Now Di Torres. Tachonko. Comments again. Comments big. Looking for Di Torres. Di Torres open jump. Di Torres. In and out. Ibanon Manila Stars to Biray. Now Biray. He's still by comments. He's still again by Manila Stars. 14 to shoot. Keljen. Now, turnover again at FEU. It's 2 minutes and 38 seconds. All by UP. It's 13-8. Di Torres. Now, Tachonko is still on the let it fly. Keljen, let it fly. 3-on-1, let it fly. Yes! On let it fly. Keljen, it's 10-13. 3-point lead on UP. 2 minutes. Mago. He's still letting on out Keljem. Let it fly. Bang! Basket count and 1 on let it fly Keljem. Out on Mago. Second team foul on UP. First 13 foul. First on Mago, 13 foul on UP. Ono speed drop, Keljem. Yes, now 13 all. It's our third deadlock of the game. UP against FEU. Los Santos. At Tanchonko, Brad, Tanchonko again, foul!
Oh no.
Foul on number 22 on Manalastas.
Lasing pa si Onyok.
Second on Manalastas. Now UPN penalty. 1 minute and 36 seconds. 13 all. 13 all. Now back to 1 point lead on UP. It's 14-13. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Salagoste. Manalastas. Ow! Oh, nice stop by Salagoste. Julio Santos. Now, De Torres live. Pass Julio Santos back time pass. Ay, in and out again by UP. Tanchonko again. Tanchonko too strong. Rebound on Kelvin. It's FPU ball. FPU. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 14-30. Now Uno. Still by Omakov. Omakov to comments, drive, six out, play, short. Now, Manalastas, Viray, Pay, Viray, 1-on-1 with Omakov. Viray, outside, Keljem, Pay, Keljem, too strong, nice straight by Tanchonko. It's UP ball, 40 seconds. Baseball pass. Now, Keljem. Now, Keljem drive, Keljem attack. To Salagoste, too strong again. Blocked by De Torres.
Bang.
Oh, let it back, 25 seconds. Comments? Nice move, 20 seconds.
16-15. Kelvin.
Yes, out Keljem, 10 seconds.
Uli, Binay. Nice one. Last touch.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Yung magandang screen lang, oh. Wag na, 5 seconds na lang eh.
Isang shoot pa yan.
Shot!
Bang bang. Try.
And our first quarter score is 17 against 16. Now FEU, even 1 point. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Soto. 21. Castillo. 8. Navarro.
Now Nebi.
6.
Back to Nebi.
6. Ochoa.
Soto. Ochoa. Too strong. Tap. Rendon. Now John Lee in the ball game. To De Torres. Looking for De Los Santos. Too long, too strong. Ow, foul. Foul on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. First team foul, UP. Nebi. To Soto. Soto, twirl. Soto short. Nice defense again back to UP. It's 9 minutes and 14 seconds. De Torres. To Wonder Boy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the Wonder Boy. It's 19-17. Wow. Wow, basket count and 1. On number 21, Castillo. Who's ball up? Foul again on number 14 on Wonder Boy. Second on Wonder Boy. Second team foul on UP. It's 19 all. Now Castillo. Now 20-19, 1 point in FEU. Di Torres. Back to Wonderboy. Back to Di Torres. 14 to shoot. Rendon. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound by Ochoa. Ochoa to Castillo. Castillo! Shot! Rebound by Nabi. Oh, steal by De Los Santos. Now De Los Santos to Wonderboy again. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the Wonderboy. It's 22 against the 20. Nebe out si Castillo. Nice pass from Nebe. It's 22 all. What a ball game. 22 all. De Los Santos guarded by 2. De Los Santos again. Lagi by Di Torres. Di Torres zigzag. Di Torres gave zigzag. Di Torres too strong. Rebound by Ochoa. Ochoa to Nebe. Out to Castillo. Pass to Soto. Yes on Soto. 24 to 22. Rendon. Foul. Foul on number 8. On FEU. First on FEU.
Ano tayo?
Romero.
First on Romero.
Dalawang 8 ano ba ang Romero?
Hindi, tao-tao na.
Steal again by Ochoa. Ochoa to Castillo. Castillo steal. By Di Torres. Now De Los Santos. De Los Santos, steal again on Nepi. Ochoa. Ochoa now. It's 3 on 4. Ochoa pass to Nepi. Nepi shot. Yes on Nepi. It's 26 to 22. 4-point lead on UP. What a great ball game. FEU versus our defending champion UP. Di Torres. Now Wonderboy 3 attempt shot too strong. The Ochoa. 3 on 3. Ochoa. Drive. Ochoa. Bang! Basket count and 1 by Ochoa. Foul on number 17 on Jolly. 13 foul on UP. It's 6 minutes and 41 seconds. 28 against the 22.
Marinduran first 13 po.
First personal foul on Marguran. Unos Petro Ochoa, short. Foul Nabi, 14 sets at 14. 10, Soto. Castillo. Too strong. Rebound on the reigning MVP, Rendon. Now De Los Santos. Back to Di Torres. Di Torres turn. Nice defense by Soto. Soto top. Di Torres again. Di Torres. Di Torres. Oh, what a great move by Di Torres. It's 24 to 28. 4-point lead FEU. Castillo. Attempt. Castillo too strong. Top. Now the Wonderboy. Looking for Di Torres. Di Torres. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Di Torres. 1-on-1 by Nepi. Di Torres same spot. Too strong. Top by Soto. Now Romero. 3 on 2. Nice pass outside. Nepi same spot. Too strong. Rebound on Mariguran. Now Mariguran to De Los Santos. De Los Santos guarded by Soto. 1-on-1. There's a pick. Pick to Rendon. Rendon. Drive. Wow! Strong move. Time out. On FEU. It's 28 against 26. 2-point lead against FEU.
Wala. Hindi pa pala catcher.
It's 28.
Di ako catcher, shooter ako, shooter.
Magipagtulo ko lang, para lima. Nakashort.
It's 28-26. Just 2-point lead against FEU. Now Napi. Soto. Pass to Ochoa. Nice pass. Back to Napi. Again in and out. Soto.
Hey!
Again in and out against by Soto. Rebound on the Uldon, 5 minutes.
Hindi na siya.
Wonder Boy! Yes, on the Wonder Boy! His first layup on the century by Wonder Boy.
Plus
28
28.
all, 28 all. 4 minutes and 50. Ochoa. Now Nepe. Back to Castillo.
Oh, sorry.
Wow! One move escape again by Soto. It's 30 to 28. 2-point lead on LBU. 1-1 by the Torres Castillo. Now Castillo, move. Castillo will take the shoot. Still by Ochoa. Soto, 1-1 by Soto. Yes, on Soto, timeout. All UP now 32 to 28, 4-point lead on FU.
Eh, awi kayo. Nagwawan-wan. Awi. Para makadrive siya. Awi kayo.
Relax, wawala yung shooting mo. Tirak sila ba? Ha? Ano ko ano yun? Nasa na. Bago mag-third.
32 to 28. It's 4-point lead on FU. Now the Torres. The Torres out. Struggling violation on a foul. Who's foul left? Foul left, foul. Second team foul on FU.
Kanina.
4 minutes. Rendon. Ochoa. 10 to shoot. The Torres. 5.
Random.
In and out. Soto.
Push! Push!
Now Ochoa. Fake.
Ayaw.
Number
Number 3.
Foul on number 23 on
Random.
Rendon. Warning for penalty on UP. It's 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Our defending champion versus FU. Now 33 to 28. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now 34 to 28. Back to 6-point with FU. The Torres. 1-1 by Castillo.
The Torres. Ala.
14 to shoot.
Dang.
Rebound on the Wonder Boy.
Maring
Mariguran. Too strong. Soto.
Push!
Steal on the Torres na De Los Santos. Yes, son. Now 34 to 30. 4-point lead, FU. Castillo, short, top. It's UP ball. UP 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 34. Against to 30. Now, Wonder Boy. Pass na Chay. Too strong. Soto. Soto drive, scoop. Yes! On Soto. 36 to 34. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Mariguran, guard by Romero. 1-1 by Romero.
Ay, tumama sa tuhod!
It's FU ball. Nice defense on Romero. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. A foul.
Ikaw po.
Warning on number 17. Or continuous complaining. Soto.
Nahay.
Still on Mariguran. De Torres. De Torres drive, left-handed drive. Pow!
Yo.
Foul on Romero. Second personal foul on Romero. Third on NPU. 2 minutes. 2 free throw shot. To the Torres. Now 31 to 36. 2 minutes.
Torres. Kalma.
Rebound on Soto. Carried by Wonderboy Soto. Soto 6 out. Soto same spot on Soto. 38 to 31. De Los Santos. Carried by Soto. 14 to shoot. Wonderboy. Out. Too strong by the Wonderboy Romero. Castillo is still by the Wonderboy. De Los Santos. 14 to shoot. Rendon. To Wonderboy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the Wonderboy. It's 34 to 38. 1 minute and 18. Now, turnover on NPU. It's 38 against the 34. 4-point lead on NPU. And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. De Torres. Carried by Castillo. Mariguran. Fake. Mariguran. Side step. Like, oh, wow! What a great move by number 17 na Mariguran. Foul on number 8 on Romero. It's third on Romero. Warning for penalty on NPU. It's 38 to 36, 57 seconds. Ochoa. Now Ochoa. Looking for Castillo. Too strong. Top. Rendon. Rebound. Now the Wonderboy looking De Torres. De Torres. 40 seconds. De Torres. Guarded by 2. De Torres escape. Block by Soto. Top by Nebi. Nebi. Nebi to Castillo. Castillo. Drive. Castillo. Again. Too strong. Top. It's 27 seconds. 27. UP ball. UP. Now Soto. 1-1. Soto drive. Soto nice defense of Mariguran. Nebi. Gusto again by Nebi. Nebi. Yes, so Nebi. 40 to 36. 10 seconds. Still again. 5 seconds. Short. Yes, on Soto. And now for second quarter. Score is 42 to 36. 6-point lead on NPU.
Maningkurado ng tubig. Wala na?
Ilan kayo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ilan kayo?
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Siyam kami.
10. Kailangan 10. Now our score is 47 against 36. Third quarter. It's UP ball. UP.
Isa na agad.
UP ball. Our score now, 47-36, 11-point lead on NPU. Now, Umakov.
Ay,
Mariguran.
Ayun. Aywa!
Too strong. Rebound on letter fly, Keljim. Now, Soto. Salagoste. Nice defense on Tanchoko. Now, the Robocup in the ball game. Robocup to Umakov. Umakov pick. Umakov 1-1. On Biray. Umakov pick shot. Too strong. Rebound on Salagoste. Salagoste. To Biray. Now Biray to Salagoste. Salagoste open jump. Nice defense on Tanchoko top. Top to Ochoa. Ochoa. 14 set shot clock. Ochoa. Too strong. Tanchoko now. 9 minutes. Third quarter. It's 47 against 36. Umakov. Back to Kamens. Kamens 1-1 by Soto. Kamens big. Kamens strong move. Kamens block. Pow!
Soto.
Foul on number 35 on Soto.
Soto second.
Second personal foul on Soto.
First.
First against FU.
Amen.
8 minutes and 56 seconds. And our next game will be NCAA. It's UC against JRU. 37-47. 10-point lead. FU. Soto. To Biray. Nice shoot. Scoop by Biray. Short. Rebound ng Mariguran. Still on Salagoste. Salagoste. To Biray. Biray. Favorite shot. Again. Biray. Top Biray. Biray for the 14th set. 14. Again. Foul. Foul on the Robocup. First on Robocup. First team foul on UP. 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Comments. It's a ball. UP. Eight minutes and 18. Mariguran. 2 comments.
Amen.
3-second violation, no Robocup. 8 minutes! It's 47 against 237. 10-point lead, FU. Now Soto. Not out. Rebound on Ochoa. Yes on Ochoa. 49-37, 12-point lead on FU. First game and our first match. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. Fourth on Salagoste. Warning on Salagoste.
Sapa.
Second team foul on you in FU.
Bang.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Mr. Slasher Tanchoko. 40-49. Steal again by Umakov. 1-1 by Ochoa. Steal to Keljim. Keljim now. 7 minutes and 15. To Biray. Pass to Keljim. Let it fly. Block! By the Slasher. 1-1 by Umakov. Umakov now. Time out. On FU now 49-42. This time out is brought to you by Sports Basketballista, Adelpos and Motivation. Seven minutes. Now Soto. Turnover against FU. turn.
Bigay.
Nice slasher now. Nice pass, comments. Yay, and out. Now Soto.
Science.
Now Soto drive, pass outside to Salagoste. Yes, Salagoste. 51-42. 9-point lead against UP. Mariguran, Omagov. Guarded by Kelton. Omagov now, looking for a slasher, same spot.
Nice job.
Favorite shot, short.
Besas.
Yes, on Robocop. 44 against the 51. 6 minutes.
Pwede, 5 minutes.
14 to shoot. Talagoste. Soto. Ochoa! What about Ochoa? Basket count at 1. Foul on number 2 on the Robocop. Second personal foul on the Robocop. Second team foul on UP. Short. Down the slasher. Chanchoko. A slasher again. Right. Go. The slasher. Now 46. Against the 53. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Keljem. Let it fly. Let it fly. Hang time. Keljem short. Top. Salagoste. Fake. Salagoste. Yes. On Salagoste. 55 to 46. Back to 9-point lead on FU. 5 minutes and 10. Umagov. Wow. All on number 12 on Keljem.
Sige lang, pwede na mag-sub.
So,
Pwede na mag-sub.
Pwede na.
Pwede na mag-sub.
Rep stop.
Kelton second. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Second personal foul on Let It Fly, Keljem. Second and at you. It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes remain time for third quarter. And our next game will be JIU against UC. Short, top. Talagoste.
Besas, oh,
Robocop. Now Castillo. Keljem, let it fly. Still. Let it fly again. Let it fly. In and out. Let it fly. Rebound on Castillo. Wow. Foul on Mariguran.
Uno, tira.
Technical foul against Mariguran.
Uno, tira sa kita.
13 foul on UP. Second personal foul on Mariguran. Technical free throw on Uno.
kalma doon.
55 to 46. Salagoste. In and out. Now the Tanchoko. Mr. Slasher.
Pigilan nila! Uli!
Robocop.
Besas.
Robocop. Drive. Robocop. Short. Rebound. On Salagoste. It's 3-2. Salagoste. In and out. Top by Castillo. It's UP ball. UP. 4 minutes and 10.
Thank you. Ay, pala ko kay Baby Boy. Pala ko. Ewan ko sa kanya.
Hindi na kabiluin!
Now the slasher. Kyle by Castillo. 14 to shoot.
Ayo.
Black. Wow. All on number 12 on Kelton. Warning for penalty on UP.
Keljem's third.
Substitution. Third personal foul on number 12 on Let It Fly, Kelton. 2 free throw shots. 2 comments. Short. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. Short! Ah, now that is Lasser, 1 and 1. 2 and 1, that is Lasser! That Jungle, 48 to 55. It's 7-point lead now, FEU. Now, Salagoste. Uno, ang lastas. Salagoste. Castillo, drive, block by the Robocop. Rendon, down alone. Rendon, Mr. Rendon. Yes, on Rendon. 50 to 55. 5-point lead now, FEU. Salagoste. 2-1. Keljum, let it fly. Pass to Castillo. Castillo, ang nalastas. Too strong again. Rebound on the Robocop. Robocop to the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. 1 and 1 by Uno. Wonder Boy. Pass. Steal again on the view. Let it fly. Keljum, let it fly. Let it fly. Block! What a block!
Sub. Regarding rep. Time out muna pala kami, time out.
Time out. Time out on the view.
Yeah.
Sinatawag kasi yung weapon niya. Hindi natawag guys, bakit hindi natawag guys?
It's 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Only 5-point lead against FEU. 2. Inbounding Soto. Now Salagoste. Romero. Too strong. Rebound by Nevi. Out yung ball. It's UP ball. UP.
Third quarter sa inyo.
Hindi, sa kanila.
Walang jump ball tayo. Third quarter sa inyo.
Wala natin.
UP ball. UP.
Tayo third quarter. First kayo eh.
Rendon. Now Wonder Boy. Too strong. Castillo. Now 2-on-2. Castillo. Salagoste fake. Salagoste. Bang! On Salagoste. 57 to 50. 7-point lead now, FEU. De Los Santos to Rendon. Rendon drive. Pass to De Los Santos. Favorite shot. Bang, bang, bang! On De Los Santos. Sportsmanlike foul.
Sino? Pizza.
All comments. Referee decision tayo. It's a sportsmanlike foul. All comments. Good. Technical free throw on Nevi. 2 minutes. Only 4-point lead on FEU. It's 57 against the 53. Nelson Romero, 58 to 53.
Isa pa, Koy.
Back to 5-point lead on FEU. 59 against the 53. It's FEU ball, FEU. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. And we still were live in the Memphis Boy. Oh, Soto! Alley-oop shot, 61-53. 8-point lead against MU. Still by Nabe. It's UP ball. UP, 1 minute and 52 seconds. This is just the third quarter. Now, De Los Santos to Mariguran. Rendon. De Los Santos. In and out, top by Rendon. Now, De Los Santos. 14 seconds clock. Too strong. Romero to De Los Santos. De Los Santos now. Oh, foul! Foul on number 21 on Castillo. 30 foul against FPU. Sabi nyo sunod. First personal foul on Castillo. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Mariguran. Now setting a play. Pass to the Roca foul. Foul on number 35 on Soto. Warning for penalty against FPU.
Soto, third personal foul.
Third personal foul on Soto. Now 54-61. 7-point lead on FPU. 1 minute and 10. Nabi, Castillo. Oh! Nagayo! Coming from Soto, from Castillo. It's 63-54. 50 seconds. Wonder Boy, Mariguran. 14 to shoot. 42 seconds. 14 to shoot. Now, Mariguran.
Oh, pesos.
It's FPU ball. FPU, 39 seconds. Gray to Soto. Still by Mariguran. To Rendon. Now Rendon, Rendon, run, Rendon, to coast, Rendon, short. Ibon by Gray.
Wala pa.
30 seconds.
Bawi.
Boss, tap na pa tayo namin ha. Di pa ako
Gamitin mo niya. Wala nga. Dapat gamitin yun. Dalawa lang, fourth quarter. Fourth? Dalawa lang.
Oo nga, pili kami tumawag na yung 30.
O dapat gamitin nyo.
20 seconds. Wow! Foul on number 26. Time out. Oh. Basket time out. 19 seconds. 19 seconds.
Content?
Now 55-63, 8-point lead on FPU. Time out! Against FPU, 19 seconds, 63-56. It's 19 seconds, 19.
Coach, 24 na, coach. 20 seconds na.
19 seconds, 19.
One stop, tao!
Now Soto.
Balance.
10 seconds.
Seconds.
Bilay. Short.
Stationary NP.
1 second, 1 second.
Same ball.
Oh, UP ball, UP. 1 second, 1
Sa kabila yun, sa kabila. Sa
second.
ilalim ha. Tira na.
And for third quarter score is 68. 63 against 56. All by FU. Third quarter ready, fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's FU ball, FU.
Alas sila sa spot. Ito lang yung nakakapit sila. Yun na lang. Pasok kami.
Last quarter, last quarter. FEU ball, FEU. Inbounding Keljim. To Mirai. Too strong. Rebound on Rendon. Riguran to Cummins. It's 2-1. Cummins, Kate. Yes, on Cummins. 58 to 63. 5-point lead now. On FEU. Keljim. Back to Uno. Uno. Too strong. Rebound by Cummins. Cummins. Now Mariguran. Back to
Lapitan mo na konti.
Tanchongo.
Lapitan mo na konti.
14 to shoot.
Alas na kami.
Ayaw! Ayaw!
Cummins again.
Ayaw!
Wow! 9 minutes. Now Ochoa. Salagoste. Back to Ochoa. Nice short. Each Keljim. Rendon all alone. De Los Santos. Sunman Bibiray. De Los Santos. Kali Bibiray.
Amin ha.
FEU ball. FEU. 8 minutes and 41 seconds.
Nabitawan mo.
Tung ka sa tung ka. Coach lang dyan, coach lang.
Puno. Salagoste! Now 66 against the 58. Back to 8-point lead on FEU. Now 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Last quarter. Now Tanchongo run. Tanchongo! 60 to 66. Back to 6-point lead on FEU. It's 8 minutes and 10. Salagoste. Looking for Uno. Back to Salagoste. Biray. To Keljim. Keljim open jump. In and out. Rebound on Mariguran. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice slasher. Nice slasher again. Nice slasher. Escape. Nice slasher. Now 62 against 66. 4-point lead FEU. Salagoste. Short. Now the Tanchongo. Still by Keljim. Keljim. Looking for still by Mariguran. Same ball. 7 minutes and 29 seconds. It's only 4-point lead on FEU. 66 against 62.
Dalawa, hindi mo nagagamit pag hindi mo nagamit.
Keljim. Let it fly. Keljim in 68 to 62. Back to 6-point lead on FEU.
Kuya, huwag ko na papaluin yan ha.
Top. Foul. It's foul on number 12 on Keljim. First team foul FEU. Santi de Silap.
Tingnan niyo.
Fourth personal foul on number 12 on Keljim. Warning on Keljim.
Kinabahan pa ako.
Jai, tira. Bang bang.
Ding dong.
Too strong. Now Ochoa. Uno. Wow. Nice defense on Mariguran in 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sub. Boss Mike.
Stop to the serve. Stop.
No.
Inbounding Salagoste. Kubiray. Salagoste. Soto. Is it eight? 14 to shoot. Still again ng Mariran. Los Santos. Sigsag. Los Santos scoop short. Rebound on Soto. Soto. It's 5 on 4. Soto. Sigsag. Drive. Looking for Castillo. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Mariran.
Third.
Third on Mariran. First on UP. Castillo. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Now 69 to 62. Whoa! Running MVP, Rendon. It's 69 to 64. 5-point lead debut. Salagoste. Biray, back to Salagoste. Ochoa. Black! What a black by Tachogo. Still. Now Castillo. 14 to shoot. Ochoa. Black again. Foul. Foul on 0-3 on Cummins. Sabi ko sa rap sound.
Boss, foul na. Nahulog pa nga.
Second team foul on UP.
Second person.
Second personal foul on Cummins. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 70 to 64 now. 6-point lead on FU.
Sa akin, nasa taas yung bola. Hindi ko hinawakan mo. Nakita mo kanina.
Gamitin nyo. Gamitin nyo. Hindi natin i-carry over. Dapat gamitin.
Now 71 to 64.
Basic po.
It's 7-point lead on FU. Los Santos. Guarded by Castillo. Foul.
Graduate.
Foul on number 9 on Salagoste. Salagoste 5 fouls.
Yan, apat na yan, Flore.
Second team foul on FU.
Apat na din yan, Flore. Flores, ha?
5 minutes and 28. Mariguran. Foul. Oh! Offensive foul on number 2 on Casas. 13 foul on UP.
Wala pa nga bula eh.
UP Gasas.
Wala pa bula.
Third on Gasas.
Third personal foul on the RoboCup.
Yari mo.
Ochoa short. Now to Los Santos.
Apat, ha?
Foul! It's now, let's see separated by FU. Now Soto to Castillo. Castillo. Foul! Foul on number 2 on the RoboCup.
Technical, oh.
Warning for penalty on UP.
Ang laro ba?
Boss, technical.
Foul! Technical foul on the RoboCup.
Ay, nabilan para di sayang.
It's 4 minutes and 58 seconds. 4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Sir, kung ano nakita referee, sir, ano wala tayong gagawa? Hindi. Ball game, sir. Di tayo pwede ganyan. Ano tayo? Pare kapag game ang lalaro, sir. Player kayo lahat. Anak ba kayo? Kaya nga, laro lang kayo. Kung ano nakita ng referee yun. Para kayong ngayon lang naglaro, ah. Para hindi player.
70 to 64. 73 against 64. It's 4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Piray. Chawa.
Now 9-point lead on FU. Basket timeout prep. Timeout on UP. Now 10-point lead on FEU.
74 Castillo, Castillo.
Let's go.
4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Nalilito, nalilito.
Now UP warning for penalty. Ball game back, ball game back. Ilos Santos. Still again on Castillo. Wow. Foul on number 15 on De Los Santos. Penalty. First on De Los Santos. Pigeret. Oras na rep. It's 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Nice shot.
75-64. It's 11-point lead now, FEU. Out, Chongo. Soto. Out, Chowa. 77-64. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Castillo. Third on FEU. Third personal foul on Castillo. Mariguran. Now the Robocop. 66-77. 4 minutes. It's 11-point lead on FEU. Soto. 14 to shoot. Wow! Short! Rebound on Robocop. De Los Santos. Bang! Time out on FEU. Now 69-77. 8-point lead on FEU.
Sakit.
It's 3 minutes and 44 seconds. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. FEU versus UP. Now Soto. One by Tachonko. Soto drive. Soto skate. Soto block. Defense by UP. Now Rendon. 1-1. Rendon attack. Short. Rendon again. Rendon. Ganun by Soto. 3 minutes and 20. Pass outside. De Los Santos short. Top. Now Ochoa. 3 minutes. Ochoa. Get out. Turnover again on FEU. Sabi ni Sir Ram, sabi ni yun.
Sana isa.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. 77-69. 8-point lead FEU. Rendon. Short. Comments. Block. What a block coming from Ochoa. Tell them, let us fly. Go them. 79-69. 10-point lead on FEU. Rendon. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 1-1 by Soto. Pow. Foul on Soto. Warning for penalty on FEU. Fourth personal foul on number 35 against Soto. 2 minutes and 20. Foul. Foul on Ochoa. Penalty na penalty. Both teams now and penalty. It's 69 to 79. 10-point lead on FPU.
Lucy na ka, Petro. Patol na kumutay. Sulot?
Oh, Soto! Ano ba yung Tachonko? Soto? 1-1 by Tachonko. 14 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Ah!
Rep, sagit lang, rep, sagit na lang.
Foul on Tachonko. Penalty left.
Sagit na lang, rep.
Second personal foul against Tachonko. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Soto. 79 against the 69. All FPU. Whoa! Top by Ochoa. 81 to 69. Narindon. Foul. Foul on Castillo. Penalty.
Castillo Ford.
Fourth personal foul on Castillo. Warning on Castillo.
Oh,
1 minute and 41 seconds. 12-point lead, FPU.
wala na si Rendon, hindi na nakashoot.
Tap by Castillo. Now Soto. Right. 81 to 69. Still 12-point lead, FPU. Back to the ball, get it. Back to the ball game.
Hanggang tape karte lang dito. Third fourth.
Los Santos. Kali by Keljem. 1-1 by Keljem. 14 to shoot.
Yan. Oh no!
Putang ina talaga kayo.
Offensive foul on Rendon.
Dito wala foul.
1 minute and 13 seconds.
Rendon. Second person.
Second personal foul on Rendon. 1 minute.
Ingat.
10 to shoot.
Ingat ha.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Bilay! 45 seconds! Nice move! Coming from Lindon! 40 seconds!
Nilalaro lang ng kabila. 24. Pero magaling ang kinalaban nyo.
30 seconds! 40 to shoot! And game our winner, FPU. It's 84 against the 72.